Hey guys, I'm Nick. I'm the lens tech over here at Talamas, and we all know how big an investment lenses are. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly care for your lenses to get the most out of them. So let's get right into it. Step one is going to be to visually inspect the front element. So you're going to remove your cap and just keep an eye out for any obvious scratches or flaws. This happens to be one of our new Cook Pancro Classics, so it's looking pretty good. Move on to step two, which is going to be to get that loose debris and dust off of there. In this video, I'm just using this blower, but usually at my bench I'll have some compressed air. I try to avoid canned air as much as possible, just because if you don't spray it properly, there's some propellant that can really mess up your front element if you get it on there. So once you get all that dust and debris off of there, you can move on to getting the smudges and smears. For that we use a Pancro spray and a Kimtech wipe. You want to waste your first wipe just because there can be some loose debris and dust from sitting there over time. So you move on to a fresh new one. Get a nice little working area going, and a couple sprays on there. You don't want to get too much. If you get too much on there, you're going to start to streak. So you want to get just the right amount so you're not scratching it, but you're also not streaking. You start right in the center and work your way out slowly to the edge. That way you're not grabbing any debris that's caught in the edge of the lens and bringing it to the center of the lens. So once you get a nice thorough clean in there, you can do another visual inspection. So after that, you can check and make sure you missed any spots. If so, you can go back and always do it again. Just make sure you grab a new wipe because your old one can have some dust in it that can scratch your front element. With that being said, we'll move on to the rear element. You're gonna follow the same steps. Check it, make sure there's no obvious scratches. And grab your blower, get all that dust off of there. And then for the rear element, I like to use the Q-tip. It's a little finer and a little more accurate when you're getting to these edges, especially with a small rear element like there is on the Pancro. A couple sprays on there. Same thing with the rear element, start in the center, work your way out to the edge. Nice and slow, even circles. That's looking pretty good. Final inspection, make sure you didn't miss any spots. If you did, no worries, just go back, grab another Q-tip and try again. That's looking pretty good. So to finish up, I like to check the mechanics of the lens to make sure everything's nice and free. Iris is moving nice and smooth, and the focus is like butter. If you follow these easy steps, you'll have happy lenses for years to come. If you have any questions about lens care or anything lens related, give me a call or shoot me an email.